Yeah, I know my hair looks crazy. It's all good though. Welcome back, everybody. My name's Octavion, and today we are talking about Forex trading, right? Forex trading is a lot of people have been talking about it recently, actually. I've heard from a lot of different people, seen it on YouTube. A lot of people are wondering about Forex trading, especially with the stock market being super volatile right now. People are interested in all the other things besides like simple stocks and bonds. People are interested in options, Forex, so like futures. So I'm gonna probably talk about each one of those things and tell you what you need to know about it to know if it's a good investment for you. So if you could like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Plenty of information is always being put out by me, including fitness stuff, college advice stuff. I'm a college student currently, financial information, all that good stuff. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Let's get into the video. So what is Forex trading? Forex is basically a combination of two words, foreign exchange. So it's the exchange of different currencies across the globe, right? Because different currencies compared to the dollar have different exchange rates. So, for example, euros. Euros are usually higher, has a higher value than dollars. So a euro in 2019, the exchange rate was anywhere between $1.09 to $1.12, right? The value can change. And if you exchange and trade the currency at the right rate, you trade enough money, you're going to turn over a profit, right? So it is a very legitimate business. Like investment bankers, brokers, hedge funds, like plenty of like New York Stock Exchange and like big banks, they all invest in foreign exchange rates. So it is a very legitimate business. How did it get the reputation of being somewhat scammy? Well, that occurred when like probably more so now with just the flexibility of the market. It has a lot of liquidity, meaning there's like it's a lot of cash flow because you're literally trading currencies. So it's a lot of cash flow. It's very hard to regulate because it's global and it is participated in with other countries that don't have regulations on their forex trading. So it's very hard to regulate globally everything that's going on with all these different trading, or all this trading, and it's 24 hours open market. So 24 hours you can trade, which is different than the New York Stock Exchange and other markets. So like that also adds to you being more likely to be able to be scammed. And there's no governing body that actually does regulate it globally as well. So there's plenty of factors that cause it to be somewhat scammy. But it is a legitimate business, and you just have to know how to avoid getting scammed. So common scams that happen are they have people that sell these, like they use AI and they sell people these software, the software where it'll kind of it'll tell you that it can make the perfect trade at the right amount of time to optimize your profits, when in actuality it doesn't really do that, and it's not really regulated. So these random people can just sell you anything, and it'll just start basically randomly making purchases through your account and making trades through your account, which is basically like gambling. You don't know how it'll turn out, right? Also, there used to be scams early on where they would sell, and I think there still are, where these unregulated businesses and banks in other countries that you can't really trace, they would say that they have expert advice, that they're professional traders. They would take your money for the trading, and then some would give you good advice, some would just give you random stuff, and then when you try to track them down, they could just delete all of their accounts or whatever, delete all the information, and you can't really trace them because they're in a foreign country that doesn't have any like regulation on that kind of thing. So that also is a possible option for being scammed. But don't get discouraged because of that, because there's plenty of legitimate banks and brokerages to actually do that, right? Or to actually like give you to be legitimate. So like you can use E-Trade, you can use Vanguard, you can use Merrill. Like all those are different banking sites where you can have those investments in Forex if you choose to do so. Also, regarding this, I think it's important to ask, is Forex profitable? And yes, it is. Investing in a certain amount of money and knowing the exchange rates, you can make a lot of money. That's why, of course, the banks are doing it. Investment brokerages, they're doing it. Hedge fund managers, they're all doing it because it's going to be profitable. They're going to make money off of it. So you can too. You just have to know the resources to go to, and you have to do your own research. Like most things in investing, you just have to do your research to make sure you understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, how you're doing it, all that good stuff, right? So, is Forex a scam? No, not at all. Can it be a scam? Yes, 100%. How do you avoid that? Do your due diligence and make sure that you understand Forex. And I hope this video actually helped break down what Forex is and kind of clarified a little bit about the whole system itself. But yeah, like do your due diligence and you'll be fine. You'll be able to make your profits. Just make sure to do your own research. Make sure that you're investing with a good brokerage or bank in order to or whoever's providing you maybe advice for your Forex. Make sure that they're certified, they're regulated, all that good stuff, so you can make sure that you're on top of that and you're not getting scammed in that sense. But yeah, that's the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all liked the video. Peace.